Hey everyone, welcome back to an updated version of the buy box video. So we have added two new features to the buy box tracking on TSeller web, and I just want to show you guys today how to utilize those features and how they actually work. So the first one is a bulk export, allows you to edit the status of your buy box, your price, your minimum price, your maximum price, your repricing frequency, as well as your custom price gap. And you can do all of that inside of Excel and import it back into TSeller to save you so much time when you have hundreds or thousands of buy boxes on your Takealot account. The next one is a reset at midnight. So your price will reset to your preferred price every midnight if you turn on the setting. So let's get straight into it. First of all, on TSeller, head over to the buy box tracking page, and then you are going to click on bulk export data. So you can export the products in a CSV or an Excel format, and you can include VAT or exclude VAT. Then you're going to click on continue, and then you have three toggles that you can turn on or off. They're going to be off by default. The one is only active tracking. So that is if your product is active and the repricer is active and it's on. Second one is only winning buy boxes. So only if you're winning, it's going to export it. And then this third one is include profit details. I'm going to turn that on because I want to show you guys how it looks. And then you're going to click on continue, then export to Excel. Once you've done that, you're going to open the Excel sheet, and then you're going to do the following inside. So this is how the sheet looks inside of Excel. I have taken away the offer ID and the identifier and the title for security purposes of this video, so I don't want to show that. But the rest of the file will be the same. Yours will be populated with the info. I just deleted it. So the first one is active. Under the status, you can see active is false. So all of these are off, and then I have one that I have turned on. Let's say I now want to go ahead and I want to turn on a couple of them. I want to turn on these two. I want to turn on this one. I also want to turn on all of these. You're just going to turn them on in the Excel sheet. You can edit your minimum price, your maximum price, and your preferred price. So minimum, you can just change it right here. Your preferred, you can change it there. Your current price, and then also your daily reset, you can turn on or off directly from this page right here. So you can just toggle true, true, and then you have your frequency. So at TSeller, 6 minutes is the lowest frequency that we offer, and this is default on the account. So if you want to increase your frequency, you can do that. And then also your price cap. This is if my product is $2.99, my competitor goes to $2.98, I will go to $2.97. But if I increase this cap, it'll increase the amount that I dropped it with. Then if I scroll right in the file, we have a cost breakdown. So this is working based on my minimum price. It'll show you your fees, your product cost, your delivery, and then your total input cost based on your minimum price. So this shows if I sell at $2.39, I'm going to make a loss. So I need to increase my minimum price so that I don't actually lose money. So even there, I'm still going to lose money. So this helps you make sure that you are not losing money when you are working out your minimum price. And then if you scroll down even further, this is your preferred price. So your max price that you want to be at. And then also if you scroll down even further, you have your current price. So the current price that you're selling at, whether you're making a profit or making a loss. So that's basically the Excel sheet. What you're going to do is you're going to save all of this. So I'm going to click on file. I'm going to create a copy. I'm going to download it. Then you're going to take this and you're going to put it back into TSeller. So we're going to go back to TSeller. We're going to close this. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to quick actions, and then we're going to click on upload. Then you're going to take our file and we're going to drag it in, and then we're going to click on continue. So now we can review and confirm all the changes that we've made. So we can see I've made all of these ones active. They all say true. All the resets are false. And then I'm going to click on import and then finish. So then it imported all of those changes, and now all of those reprices will be active, and my reset limit is changed if I changed it. But I didn't change it. So let me show you how to change the reset limit only without doing the bulk export. So the first thing you're going to do is come over to advanced rules. And then right here, you can see daily reset. And then you can toggle it on or you can toggle it off. And that's As simple as that. If your product is added to auto tracking, you can reset the limit, you can turn it on and off. You can also edit your frequency right here, but then you also have the ability to edit it directly in the file. So that's the bulk export feature and the new daily reset feature. If you guys want to watch a video that can also help you guys a lot, go watch our new auto promotions tool. We just recently launched that feature as well. So go give that a look and click on that subscribe button. I would appreciate if you guys can. And I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial or in the next video that we post.